When it comes to naming your channel, there's no exact science. The first step is to know what kind of videos you want to make and what you want your channel to be known for. Here are some tips to consider. Choose a channel name that's easy to remember. For example, if you choose a random name that's just a combination of numbers and letters, how will new viewers find you? It's not impossible to build a brand around something like this, but when first starting out, it's helpful to be as memorable as possible. Pick a name that resonates with a unique audience. When starting out, creating videos for a unique target audience can be helpful for growing your subscribers. Think about this. The more you can get an audience to come back video after video, the more YouTube might recommend your content to other people. If you're into beauty, cooking, or gaming, does it make sense to incorporate your passion into your channel name? Or do you want to be known by your own name, or maybe even a stage name? Your channel name is case sensitive, so use capitals if it helps make it more readable. Take your time. This is a big decision, so take a few days or more to really brainstorm what you want to be known as. Lastly, you can change your channel name in the future. Remember that being consistent with your name is important for building your brand, but if you find that your name isn't right for you, you can change it. Becoming popular on YouTube is much more than just picking a good name. We've seen successful creators follow all of these tips while others follow none. So keep in mind that how your viewers engage with your content will always be the most important thing. But a memorable name can certainly help. Good luck!
Your profile picture is your signature image on YouTube. It's the image that shows on your channel homepage, on your video watch pages, and next to all your comments. So you want people to see it and instantly recognize your channel. When creating your profile picture, think about what you want viewers to see whenever they interact with your videos. Here's some things to think about when creating your profile picture. Your profile picture should be a good representation of what you're about. With that in mind, should it be your face? Should it be a symbol or logo? Is your channel serious or playful? Try to incorporate these themes into this little image. Your picture should complement your channel banner. Consider using the same color and style. Whenever possible, think about making it consistent with who you are outside of YouTube so that fans can easily find you. Finally, it should be clear and easy to recognize. Make it pop even at small sizes. A lot of viewers use YouTube for mobile devices, so try to avoid tiny text. Have fun with it, and good luck.
Imagine the timeline of a person who has subscribed to more than 100 channels. Every day this person is going to see dozens of new thumbnails, which means that yours is going to have to stand out from the rest, doesn't it? Thumbnails are extremely important because they're one of the first things that people will see of your video. In this masterclass episode, I'm going to give you some suggestions on how to improve your thumbnails and the chances that people click on your videos. Thumbnails have to be appealing, and I'm sure you can do it even if, like me, you're not a Photoshop expert. So here are some characteristics of a good thumbnail. Number 1, it is attractive. Of course, it needs to be attractive, it needs to stand out, so a good thumbnail is beautiful, it has nice contrasts, and it makes people feel excited to watch your video. Number 2, it is clean, it isn't cluttered. It's okay to use text, I use text all the time. Try not to put too much information. Try not to use more than 4 or 5 words and try to make these words stand out from the background. Number 3, it has the same colors and patterns as your banner. It is important because it shows your identity and it makes people easily recognize your video. And number 4, it has a human element. People want to see your face, they want to establish a connection with you. So try using close-ups on faces or showing strong emotions. I know it may sound silly, but it does help. I used to look the same in all my thumbnails, always the same smile and the same face, which is okay, but it's boring and predictable. So I started making faces or taking screenshots of funny moments of my videos, and I think it's been working. I think people feel more encouraged to watch my video. And you can use different styles of thumbnails for different shows on your channel because people will know what to expect. For example, I have a series called Survival English where I teach basic English to survive abroad, and I have a very specific design for this series. So when people see one of these thumbnails, they will immediately recognize this video as a Survival English video by Karina Fragoso. So now you know how your thumbnails can make you get more views.
Have fun with it, and good luck.
Good luck!